In this video, I'll show you how to add caption to a TikTok story. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your TikTok, click on inbox. Now you're going to be able to see the create option. So if you click on it, you can go there and select the story you want to send here on TikTok. So I'm going to choose mine and I'm going to open it. So you see what I mean. Okay, so this is going to come out. So let's say if you want to add a caption, you're going to be able to see that text icon. So click on it. That's A. There's capital A, there's a small a. So click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So once I've clicked on it, you can be able to come on here. Let me say, I want to type, let me say happy. I'll just come on here and type in happy. I'm going to increase it small. I'm going to click on done. I'm going to take it up small. Right? I'm going to adjust it. So once I'm done, I'm going to just click on your story. It's going to post. Okay, once I'm done, I can be able to go back and just see what I just posted. So this basically I can be able to add caption to a TikTok story. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.